Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to examine one really interesting device. What would you say if I showed you a fan? But it's not only fan. There's also LED light, so you can use it as a lamp. Wait, that's not all. It has built-in 7,200 milliampere hour battery. So not only does it work without AC power, you can just move it anywhere you want, but you can also use it as a charger, as a power bank for your telephone. Interested? Wait, that's not all. It's a smart device. It works with your Tuya ecosystem. So let's have a look. As you can see, the item is very well packed. The original box is in bubble wrap. It didn't take a long time to arrive, approximately 2 weeks. You can get this one for under $70 including shipping on AliExpress. I'll put the links to the AliExpress and manufacturer's web in the description. This device is charged by USB cable and it needs 1 ampere adapter. Fan power consumption is 4 watts, wind speed is from 2.3 up to 4 meters a second, while the noise of the fan is between 30 and 40 decibels. To assemble it, just insert the fan into the base and turn according to the icons shown on the base. It might require some force to push, so don't be afraid. The bigger problem is removing the fan from the base. As the device name suggests, it is retractable. Its own height is around 40 centimeters and you can expand it up to 1 meter. The fan can be tilted to the left and right but not to the front and back. But that's why it's retractable, so you can set the height to which it blows or lights. The base has a main on/charging LED, which is red when it needs charging, blinking green during the charging, and continuous green when fully charged. The round button at the side of the base turns the device completely on and off, and there are also touch buttons on the base top to control the fan and light. As I said, you need USB-C cable to charge it, while the other USB port is used to charge another device from this device's 7,200 mAh battery. Adding it to the Tuya app is pretty simple. Turn the device on, run Tuya app and wait until it recognizes the device. From then on, you just need to add it to the room in your home and that's it. The interface is pretty simple. At the bottom you have three main buttons. One turns on the fan, the other opens up a light screen where you can toggle the light, set intensity and color temperature. The third More button allows you to set light mode, set countdown or schedules. So let's see it in action. As you can see, it reacts really fast. And finally, let's see if it works as a power bank. I'll do that by plugging in my tablet. Thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.